Welcome back. Let us move ahead with our next module wherein we will cover the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table and the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. So let's get started. Now if we talk about merit, the very first merit states that Mendeleev was the first scientist who successfully classified all the known elements, whereas other scientists, they were failures. He kept vacant spaces for elements which are yet to be discovered, and he also predicted the properties of these elements. These vacant spaces, they were named as Eka, where Eka means alternate, that is coming one after. So they were named as Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. As we can see over here, there is alternately a place left after boron, so Eka boron. Alternately after the element aluminium, so it's Eka aluminium. And alternately after element silicon, so it's a Eka silicon. Later, these predictions, they were found to be correct as well, wherein Eka boron was found to be scandium, Eka aluminium was found to be gallium, and Eka silicon was found to be germanium. Also, when noble gases, they were discovered way later, they were placed in the table without disturbing the position of other element. As we can see over here, a group of noble gases, they are placed in the table, but still they are not disturbing the arrangement or position of any other elements. Now there was a statement wherein we said he also predicted the properties of element. One such property that was predicted by Mendeleev was Eka aluminium, which is a modern day gallium. So let us see his prediction and the actual property. He predicted that the atomic weight of Eka aluminium would be about 68, and the actual weight was found to be 69.72, which is approximately the same. He predicted that the density of solid will be about 6.0 gram per centimeter cube, and the actual density was found to be 5.9 gram per centimeter cube, which is approximately the same. He predicted that the melting point will be low. Now when I define low, it means the melting point will be approximately near to the room temperature, and the actual melting point was found to be 29.78 degrees Celsius, which is near to the room temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius. He predicted the valency to be 3, and the actual valency was found to be 3 as well. He not only predicted the property, but he also predicted the method of discovery as well, wherein Mendeleev said that Eka aluminium will probably be discovered by the method of spectrum, and it was in fact discovered spectroscopically. Mendeleev also predicted the formula of oxide, where Eka aluminium represented as Ea with oxygen will give a formula of Ea2O3, and the actual formula of gallium is in fact Ga2O3. So this table confirms that the predicted element and the discovered elements are similar. Now if there are so many merits, there are in fact some demerits as well. So moving on to the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. The very first problem to Mendeleev was the element hydrogen, because hydrogen resembled alkali metal as well as halogens. Therefore, no fixed position given to hydrogen in the periodic table. Because if hydrogen resembles alkali metal, it should be placed in group 1A. And if it resembles halogen, it should be placed in group 7A. So you could not decide whether to place in 1A or to place in 7A. His second dilemma was about isotopes, where isotopes are known as atoms of same element but with different atomic mass. Now, if atomic masses are different, they should be given different position, but they are chemically similar, so they should be given same position. Among all the isotope known for oxygen, only O16 was placed. No position for O18 was ever specified by Mendeleev. The third demerit include that element with different properties, they are placed together. For example, as you can see over here, manganese, which is a metal, it is placed along with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, which are halogen, that is non-metals. The final demerit included the anomalous arrangement of the element cobalt and nickel, wherein element with higher atomic mass was actually placed before the element with lower atomic mass, wherein ideally, according to the law, elements are to be arranged in increasing order. Cobalt with mass 58.9, which is higher, was placed before nickel with a mass of 58.7. So this counts for all the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table.